Hello, my name is Apurva Samanto. I welcome you to LearnerBuddy. Today, we will learn how to download and install the latest version of UiPath Studio Community Edition, that is 2023.8.0 version from UiPath, to do all the automation work with UiPath with its latest features. So let's get started. So to download UiPath Studio Community Edition, we first need to open any of the browsers. So for me, I am opening Chrome. So after opening Chrome, we need to go to one portal from UiPath that is known as UiPath Automation Cloud. So here I am typing the link of UiPath Automation Cloud. So the link is cloud.uipath.com. So you can see this is the link we need to go with, cloud.uipath.com. I need to press enter, and now we will be redirected to the sign in page. So here I need to click on accept and continue. Then we will be finding that we are having multiple options to log in to UiPath Automation Cloud. So here we have Google, we have Microsoft, we have LinkedIn as well, and we have SSO, that is single sign on. So I will prefer to go with Google. So here I need to put my email ID. So I am putting my email ID. So that is apurva2samanto@gmail.com. Here I need to click on next. Now I need to choose a way to sign in. So here I will put the email ID password. So now I will put my password. So as I have two-step verification on for my email ID, so I will pass this two-step verification. Now we need to create an organization for UiPath Automation Cloud account. So I am creating an organization. So I would like to tell you one thing, that if you have your Google account synced with your Chrome, so probably you can have your email ID automatically pop up to choose the account to log in with UiPath Automation Cloud. You probably don't need to just put your user ID and password again. So here I need to put my full name, country of origin, everything. So here it has captured my full name automatically, that is my name is Apurva Samanta. And now I need to select my country. So I am from India, so I'll select India. Now I need to just select my state. So I am from West Bengal, so I am just selecting West Bengal. And this is a optional way. If you want to get any further information or any future product related information from UiPath, then you need to just check this checkbox. Otherwise you can skip it. You don't need to check this checkbox. So I have just checked this checkbox. Now I need to click next. So here I need to give a organization name. So here let me give a organization name. If you have seen here, so I have used these organization names previously. One was Automation Express and the second one was Automation Cloud. Now let me give a new name. So I can just say that UiPath RPA. Okay, so now I need to click on this create organization. Yeah, so that's it. We are already there on UiPath Automation Cloud portal. So we are all set to go. So we have just created a organization name, that is UiPath RPA. So let us find that one. So this is the admin option. So if we click on it, so you can see that is the organization name we have just created, UiPath RPA. Okay, so let me come back. So here I'm clicking on home. On the right hand side of this home page, if you see, we will be having a download button just to download the UiPath Community Edition. Okay, so we need to click on download, and here we will be having one UiPath Studio Community Edition MSI package, that is a Windows installer. So you can save on your downloads folder, you can save it as per your choice. For our convenience, so I have already downloaded the MSI package here in my download folder, if you see. So that's why I am clicking on cancel, because I don't need to download it again. So let's go to the installation. I will be going to downloads folder. Here I have the package. So before installing this package, so let me do one thing intentionally. So let me open Excel and let me open Edge as well. I will just discuss about these things later in this video only. So why I have opened this Edge and Excel, so I will talk later. And here we have also kept the Chrome open. Okay, so now let us go to install the UiPath Studio Community Edition. I'm double clicking on. Okay, so it is now preparing to install. So the installation will take around a minute, but this may vary for you based on your computer configuration and network speed as well. Okay, so here UiPath is giving us two options for UiPath's installation setup. So one is quick and the second one is custom. Quick one is recommended for community users. So for this one, UiPath will install the package with all the default settings. Okay, but for custom is recommended for the enterprise or advanced user. Enterprise users means you will be having a license from UiPath. Then only you can use this product in custom mode. And during custom mode, you can choose by your own that what product you need and what product you don't need. But for quick, you will not be having this option to choose as per your wish, because this will be installed with default setting. But in custom, you will be having your choice to install the packages and install whatever tool you want. But you will be needing an license. So for us, we will be using the community version. So we will go with the first one, that is the quick one. And here, as we all know, that we need to just accept the license agreement. So here I need to click on it and I need to click on install button. So now we will get to know that why I have kept this Excel and Edge and Chrome open, because while UiPath will be installing, UiPath will install few add-ons like Chrome, add-ons for Edge, and add-on for Excel as well. So during the installation, it will add those add-ons required for the process automation. As I have kept these three things open, so we will be having pop-up that whether we will be just going to skipping those adding the add-ons. We need to just click on yes to just install add-ons by the installation of this UiPath Studio Community Edition itself. So let's wait and watch. So now UiPath is computing the space requirements. Now it is fulfilling the component registration. Now you can see that it is going to configure the Excel add-in, right? That means the Excel add-on I was talking about, it is going to add that add-on for Excel during the installation of UiPath Community Edition. Yeah, you can see that it is saying that if you want to continue installing the UiPath extension for Chrome, please close all the Chrome processes, then click OK. So for Chrome, I need to do more things with Chrome. So as of now, I will just escape the Chrome part. Okay, but I will do the things for Edge and Excel. But for Chrome, I will just escape it. Means I will click on cancel because I need to work many more things with Chrome. Okay, now it is asking the same thing for Edge. So I will not be doing anything with Edge. So I can just close manually Edge, or I can click on OK. It will automatically just close. So I am clicking on OK. So now if you see that it is asking me if I want to force close. Okay, so here I will click on OK. So if you see here, the Edge is not there, means Edge has been closed by UiPath installer itself. Okay, so now our things have been completed. So now it is saying that completed the UiPath setup, means all the setup and installation have been completed. Now it is asking us to launch UiPath Studio. So I'll click on it. Okay, now we are all set to use our UiPath Studio Community Edition. But first, I need to sign in to get started. So here they have already put the service URL, the same we have used, that is cloud.uipath.com. I need to click on sign in only. I mentioned that we need to do many more things with Chrome. So if you see, it has opened a new tab in Chrome. So it is asking us open UiPath. I have clicked on it and we are already signed in with the same account apurva2samant@gmail.com we just used for the login purpose of Automation Cloud. The same one is there. If you see, we are using the same account to use the UiPath Studio Community Edition. So while we are installing UiPath Studio Community Edition, UiPath will provide us two options. One is UiPath Studio and the second one is UiPath Studio X. UiPath Studio is used to do any kind of basic to advanced level of automation, and it is there for enterprise level of solution. But UiPath Studio X will be there for do some internal tasks, and it will be used by citizen developers. So for us as a RPA developer, we will be going with UiPath Studio. So I am choosing UiPath Studio. I need to click on it. Yeah, we are all set to use our UiPath Studio. So here, once the UiPath Studio has been installed for the first time, it will welcome you to the studio. So there will be three panels. One is watch, second one is tutorials, and third one is academy. So if you want to watch any short introduction, then you need to click on watch and you will be there to watch some short introductions. If you want to get some tutorials, then you need to just click on this tutorial section. And if you want to go to UiPath Academy, then you need to click on this Academy tab. So I don't need to go anywhere. So I will be just closing it. But if you want that you do not want any this kind of pop-up once you will be opening UiPath Studio, you can just click on this checkbox, that is don't show again, and you can just close it. That's it. Okay, so here it is asking us to start our UiPath journey here. So here I'll just click on the cross sign. Okay, so here if you see, so this is the very home page of UiPath Studio. So now if we find that we have downloaded and installed UiPath Studio Community Edition with version 2023.8.0 that I have already talked about. And here if you see, the edition is the community, not the enterprise edition, means we are using a community license. You can see over here. Let us check one thing. Once we are installing UiPath Studio, so what the packages we are getting. So if I just go to search option and if I search for UiPath, if you see here we are getting three tools. One is UiPath Studio that will be required for your development and design purpose of any automation job or any automation product. The second one will be UiPath Assistant. UiPath Assistant is mainly a tool that will help the human users to interact with UiPath Studio, UiPath Orchestrator and everything. So we will be looking into each of the tools later. And here the third tool is UiPath Diagnostic Tool to get any diagnostic data. So we will be using this UiPath diagnostic tool, but we will be covering each and every tool later one by one, so we can have a greater overview and a depth knowledge of it, each of the tools then. Okay, but now we just need to use the UiPath Studio. So that's all for now, how to download and install UiPath Studio Community Edition with the latest version whatever will be available. And we have also seen the UiPath Automation Cloud Portal homepage, and here we have found the admin part where we'll be finding our organization name what we have just created. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for being there with me. Don't forget to subscribe LearnerBuddy to stay connected with LearnerBuddy and learn together with LearnerBuddy. Thank you.